you doing, folks? Welcome to the trad sessions of Féile and Earraigh. We're down at Madden's here. I'm joined by very good friends of mine, Sean O'Kane, Brendan Loughran, Stephen Loughran, Roisin Chambers all the way from Dublin, and myself, Ciarán Quinn. This is a first set of tunes called the Origin Set. Tunes written by Ciarán and Stephen, and I hope you enjoy.
So this second set is one that was composed during the first lockdown after Ciarán's young son who came along during that time. So it's called Owen's Isolation.
Right, we chun landmaid le ar under van fáinne galan lei. Agus casan a lads lum leis an taran seo. And next song we're going to sing is called Fáinne galan lei, so banagi soltas. Gymagi. Madin mocht o gaus mach fwy brwch alleen. On saure tach son criflen ais is a lonrog ta ongrein. Hashtol dom tri walti pot is a banta minere. Ke often ma shachan cool and jazz le fáinne galan lei. Ní ra brog na stocha cap na clog my story no gons bear. Hacha fault van arga she's got try eg fasco bar on air. Vi kalan krute eken lek said it wacht bogas skeif. Dorog bar gan vinus it as le fáinne galan lei. Do hi an vridog she's le maj vinci last en nod. Eg maga levis tam we have go pras mar of ni nach nei. She dorchi lomsa imi wem snas ceoil chomhaimseartha méid. Sin iad an as no sailde tacht le fáinne galan lei. Come on, Waggy.
Here's another set of tunes for you. This set was written by our Séan over here. This set's called the Swayze set and is dedicated to Mr. Paul Tierney. If he gets a chance to watch us here. Here we go. Here's a song for you. It's a song you'll all know. A song by the Coronas called Heroes or Ghosts. So here we go. Heroes or ghosts, one man's made, and break another man's soul. Or am I just too cynical for my own good? Am I too scared to say that we'll get there? We should, you know. You know, it's harder than it looks. It's harder than it looks. And I know it's gonna take a lot of time and a little bit of blood. It's beginning to happen. It's beginning to move. I see the reaction, yeah. What's the simple? You can say that don't care. We don't believe this is what we got. And there's no place we'd rather be in. And you know these roads, they can take us to the stars. From the shadows, where cast and play their part. Oh, and don't grow old, forgetting who you are. A simple goal will get you very far. You know, yeah. You know, it's harder than it looks. It's harder than it looks. And I know it's gonna take a lot of time and a little bit of blood. It's beginning to happen. It's beginning to move. I see the reaction, yeah. What's the simple? You can say we don't care, and we don't believe. So this is what we got. And there's no place we'd rather. Yeah. Ooh, oh. And there's no place we'd rather be. So here we go. Heroes are ghosts, one man's made, can break another man's soul. Or am I just too cynical for my own good? Am I too scared to say that we'll get there? We should.
Next song we're going to continue on with another song called Those Croppies Who Would Not Lie Down, and it was written by Belfast playwright Brian Moore, who I'm told was a frequent pointer in Madden's here. I actually learnt this song around probably 4 or 5 years ago on a Sunday night when I used to play the session in here, so it's kind of nice memories. It's nice to be back here singing it again with the lads as well. So bunaidh soltas, so cead an Earraigh ná, Those Croppies Who Would Not Lie Down. Oh, I know a man and his brains also ran. His mind is befuddled by the love of the crown. Like a drunken pubber, oh, he'll rant and he'll roar. Oh, at the crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Oh, when all said and done, you know, freedom is won. Oh, with the crappies who would not lie down. Oh, on England's fair shore there are people galore, whose brain is delighted by the new royal gown. Their minds will be thrashed, they accept Maggie's lash, and curse the crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Oh, when all said and done, you know, freedom is won. Oh, with the crappies who would not lie down. I'll sing you the praises of old old Cheeman, as the people of Vietnam gathered around. Oh, and at that bright dawn they marched into Saigon, like the crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Oh, when all said and done, you know, freedom is won. Oh, with the crappies who would not lie down. Oh, in Central America there they did strive to rid themselves free of that Washington clown. Oh, freedom's the games and in East is the name. Oh, of those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Oh, when all said and done, you know, freedom is won. Oh, with the crappies who would not lie down. On the streets of Soweto, a poor cry was heard, as a poor white man's forehead was creased with a frown. Oh, it's a not body plan, you just can't understand why those crappies, they would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Oh, when all said and done, you know, freedom is won. Oh, with the crappies who would not lie down. Oh, here's to the women and here's to the men in every land, oh, village or town. They know what is right and they're willing to fight, like those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Oh, when all said and done, you know, freedom is won. Oh, with the crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Those crappies who would not lie down. Oh, when all said and done, you know, freedom is won. Oh, with those crappies who would not lie down. Gabriela Maggie.
Here's a song I wrote myself. I wrote this one in 2015 after watching the Syrian refugees leaving Syria and the boat capsizing. And it isn't necessarily just about that time, it's just about how I was feeling about the whole situation. So here's a little song called Uncertain. I used to be a man who knew everything, and traveling this world, all of my songs I'd sing. But little did I know, when you start to grow old, those feelings grow old with you. One day I saw a man, he was lying on the street. He had nothing to wear on his rotted feet. He said to the passerby, and he changed his spare. Their spare time, oh, not even a thought. I've seen young men grow old and old men die young. Some people hurt each other, and that's just for fun. The poor become rich, and the rich become poor, and then some things are uncertain. Of this I'm sure. Well, even the seasons change and the seasons go. We got winter sun and we got summer snow. Oh, there's good days and bad days. Sure, we got those things. Some things are uncertain. What will we do? Some people in life, they'll always value you, and others in this life, sure, they'll never care for you. But one thing never changes between good friends is the uncertainty of that time that we'll meet again. I've seen young men grow old and old men die young. Some people hurt each other, and that's just for fun. The poor become rich, well, the rich become poor, and then some things are uncertain. Of this I'm sure. Oh, uncertain, yeah. Of this I'm sure. In this world that we live in, so what have we done? We've got islands of plastic while children look down their guns, and we pop out these gases that block out our sun. When we look around us, what have we done? Yeah. What have we done? I've seen young men grow old and old men die young. Some people hurt each other, and that's just for fun. Where the poor become rich, where the rich become poor, and then some things are uncertain. I've seen young men grow old and old men die young. Some people hurt each other, and that's just for fun. The poor become rich, where the rich become poor, and then some things are uncertain. Oh, uncertain. Oh, uncertain. Oh, uncertain. Of this I'm sure. Oh, uncertain. Of this I'm sure. Okay, this next set of tunes is a set. The first tune's written by Eamon Coyne from Dublin, great banjo player. Actually heard Brenton first play this round in Granny Annie's, and the second tune is written by our Séan over here. So hope you enjoy. right, folks, thanks for having a listen. This is our last set. This last set was written by Séan over here. It's a set called the Earraigh set. This is going out especially for Emer and Ciara, who are on next with the Conla set. So hope you enjoy.